Hi guys, today it's snowing a lot, so I decided to wear jeans. Don't be upset, I'm still the only car sales professional you'll ever need in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Today in this video, we're going to discuss one feature that I love about the Chevrolet Equinox that I know that you're going to love as well. And since it's snowing outside, I know it's going to be worth it for you to know about this feature. The feature is the remote start. So the way that this operates on the vehicle is you're going to push the lock button twice, and you're going to hear that alarm, and then you're going to hold down the remote start button for about 3 seconds. And there you have it. One other way that you know that this is actually operational, if you can't hear it but you can see your vehicle, is the lights in the headlights is going to be illuminated, and also on the back the tail lights is going to be illuminated as well. I'm Jacob Abbott, the only car sales professional you'll ever need in Colorado Springs, Colorado. I think I'm gonna jump in the snow. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, I always forget. Check out my new logo.